This is just like news and wineries and businesses. You want to go down this way?
Yeah, I mean, where else do we go?
Okay.
Or you can go up to the shops up there.
Those are like shops though. Those aren't like.
I didn't even realize my parents like drank the wine last night, but
Oh look, the big bear or something.
You want to take a picture of me?
Huh? You're gonna get hot out here.
I'm hot already. I'm not even in it.
Oh, this is the other entrance. This is the other entrance.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What you want to do?
It's up to you.
What time is it?
I don't know. The camera's probably about to run out. It's about 11 o'clock. We've been here about 2 hours. That means the camera's gonna cut off soon.
Yeah.
Let's
see if we can pick out the right aisle for the magnets. Go back that way.
It is nice.
T-shirt. That's kind of
I
sad.
forgot I can get Jimmy gummies.
You're warm. Magnets were like way on the other side. I think so. Okay. No. I do. I just don't want to eat here.
Oh, okay.
I think it's. Okay.
Grandma.
Well, must be good apple. Wonder what that is way up on that hill. See it?
Maybe it's some crazy.
Oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
If you're not gonna race again, please, if you have any need of jumping or wine, we appreciate it. Let me get our second place.
Magnets.
Second place, come on down, second place with,
It's either the last one or the second to last one.
It'd be nice to, but let me get a second, let her rip. I got a tie for second, I was told, Jackson and Willie the second, come on over here. All right, what is your name?
This is where most of the crowd is.
Congratulate you and Jackson. Where's my winner? Come on over here. All right, now what is your name? Julia, where are you here from? Durham, North Carolina. Here's your first place. Here's $25. You're going to come back after we're on 14.
Max, if you get too hot, I can take your jacket off.
My troll guys here too. Remember about the troll?
Did you?
Keep them warmed up. All right, give them just a little short rest and then get them moving. All right, so I'm going to get you to give me
What are you trying to do?
But I could not. Look at that. That is
It might have been on this one. This one or the next one.
I think it's on the outside. I think think it was on the outside.
I really want to make that.
Huh? You want to walk through there? Sure. Thank you.
I think they were on this side. I wish I could spend $20 on jerky.
That's a lot for some jerky you can get in the store for $7.
I turn around and I lose you so quickly.
I'm trying to dodge all these people. Huh?
Trying to hand it to me and the lady.
I'm so bummed I don't see them. I could have been on the other aisle.
Yeah, they got to be over there. Well, we'll just go around.
Walking what?
Walking to them right now.
Ooh, I'm tired of walking.
Spooky gray.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, man.
Yeah.
Brad just stuck right there. That'd be good to build.
Right? I don't see them anywhere.
Now that's pretty cool. They're probably real world.
Oh my god. We'll come stop by. Put any pressure on them.
Yeah, it's like
Unless you made a good reservation
Huh?
somewhere.
I said, do you know
No,
where?
we haven't done that yet. We were gonna go like hike somewhere.
No, we just walk.
Some mild
see where the
hike.
day takes them. Yeah.
Yeah. Eagles Nest, that's really nice.
See, this is where we were because we cut through right there. So maybe the next one.
All right, well, we're halfway down. Let's go up and we'll come back down and we'll leave if we don't see it.
Okay. No. I got it. Pardon.
I got Dwight and 21. What's going on, Jack? Come on, Steve.
Sorry,
You
man.
got it. Here comes Dwight. I got Dwight. I got
3 minutes.
Look at this. Olive and Willie. I got a whistle on Willie. The whistle here on Olive. Willie, who am I going to hear first? Willie first. Olive second. That was close. That was fast. I was talking to you.
Did you keep walking along the line?
That's what they look like.
Oh,
Hey, yeah.
all these times could have been the
And the gate's in there.
I think she was
Oh, sorry.
It's our race. Come on.
I love the brown and turquoise together. So pretty. Someone got my shirt probably.
Okay. They're right here.
Oh, is that a brown?
Hey.
Yeah, I'm ready to get this jacket off.
Yes.
I don't know if I want to walk.
Huh? It's definitely warm out here.
Tie-dye pants.
Double wrapped. The sun's so bright, I can't hardly see.
Huh?
The sun's so bright.
Breeze. Yeah, when we get up here.
I'm right here.
Yeah.
Give me a.
rolling Suzuki. Yeah, I'm seeing that crazy hand job.
Huh?
Mama, looking
No,
at
not really, unless you want to.
He's doing the hand job with Sister
Huh?
Tell that little fella to get it.
Oh,
Mama gave baby sister a dime.
hold on, get the
She
band.
do that hand job one more time.
Did he say hand job?
Hand job.
Oh, that's what he sounded like.
I don't need no